welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Mama's Belly card. I'm actually making this for a dad of someone who's pregnant, which is why the sentiment says, can't wait to meet you, dad. However, this can be made for any baby shower, any card if you want to give it to a mommy who's pregnant. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is mostly everything you need for the card. In addition to this, you're going to need my template that I have created for you that gives you the pregnant belly, the sentiment for the front, and the sentiment for the inside of the card. Let me show you how to cut this out to create your card. Now, I will print this on a cardstock, and the first thing we're going to do is cut this part out at 5 1/4 inches. Then I'm gonna go and stop at my pregnant belly, just about here. Then I'm gonna put it at 4 1/4, and I'm gonna cut this off first. So now we have our sentiment cut. Let's finish cutting this. We're gonna go at 4 and cut off this 1/4 inch here, and this is your inside for the card. That's perfect. You're going to put this aside. Now we're going to cut this simply at the top here. And now you're going to line this one up at 5 1/2 inches. And when you close it, you'll realize it's exactly at the bottom of the pregnant belly. And cut that off. So it should look like this. Let's cut the back end for this one time. So we're going to cut it at 4 1/8. By 5 3/8. So this would look like this. This is your base card. You're going to score on the 8 1/2 inch at 4 1/4. Fold and burnish. And we're going to bring in one of these, which is the same height as this. And now let's cut this out. You can cut at 4 1/4. So this will be the same size as the front of your card. You can take this now and cut the belly out of the front here if you want the belly reaching almost to the end. I actually want it to come in a little bit where there's more space here because I like how the white space looks. So I'm going to measure 3/4 at the top and 3/4 at the bottom. I'm going to join it, cut this off, and this is the width that I like to work with. So I'm actually going to line this up with this piece of paper and with my card, like so. I'm going to actually stick them all together. And I'm going to cut it out. Here you have your pregnant belly and your base card. I want you to take this and put it wherever you keep your templates for card making. We're going to leave this plain and we're going to actually emboss this so it looks really, really pretty. I'm going to take my embossing folder and I'm going to run this through my Big Shot machine. Perfectly embossed. If you don't want to make it double like this, you can simply line this up like this and send this through this way through your embossing machine, and it will emboss your actual card. I like to give my cards some more body, so I like to make it double like this. So you have your base card, top layer, inside layers, your string. I have my front sentiment that says, can't wait to meet you, dad. I'm going to cut this out with my Big Shot machine just like this. And if you're wondering how I got the belly, oh, let me show you how really quickly. So I took 2 Sizzix oval dies, cut them out, I took a base card like this and I literally designed it. If you look, this is the top and this is the bottom. This is why I didn't see it fits perfectly, and all I did was I rounded here, rounded the top, and rounded the bottom. So cool. All right, so on this we're gonna add some string to make it really beautiful. For that we're gonna add string coming across the top like this. So I'm gonna cut this right here. Then I'm gonna take the rest of my string and I'm gonna add a big bow. Making it like that, and I'm gonna just design the front of this really quickly. Right. We're gonna put a gem in the middle here and stick this onto this. I want a big dot of glue right about here. We're going to stick our bow there. This should be all dry now. Perfect. Oh, this is perfect. I'm lining up my sentiment with the actual card down here. So let's put this card together. Super easy. We're sticking this onto this and this and this. Let's do that. And how I've designed cut it, the belly would block this perfectly. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this really cute Mama's Belly greeting card. Adorable. Be sure to actually like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. You guys see my new lamp? The cuteness is real.